Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Science Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about summary statistics. Let's get started. First of all, we have to understand the uses of summary statistics. You can use summary statistics in handling large amount of data set or maintaining large database, or if you are presenting your experimental data set in thesis or in any research paper. Summary statistics can be very useful. So first of all, we will use Microsoft Excel to plot summary statistics. Let's quickly go to our database. I have prepared this database to demonstrate you. So I have taken many parameters here. Okay, these are water quality parameters. First of all, we will calculate the minimum value. Okay. This is how you can calculate the minimum value in Excel. Just write equal, after that write min, then within bracket click on the second cell and drag it. Okay, your minimum is calculated. You can stretch it till the last cell to calculate minimum value for all the parameters. Similarly, you can calculate maximum. Just write equal, then max, bracket start, bracket end, within the bracket just drag this from starting cell to end cell. Okay, then press enter. Similarly, stretch it like the earlier one. Similarly, you can calculate average. Just write equal, then write average within the bracket. Put these values. And similarly, you can calculate standard deviation. After equal, write STDEV within bracket. Put all these values. So 3.77 is the minimum value of pH among all the 33 data. 7.64 is the maximum value of pH among all the 33 locations. Understood? Average is the average value of all the 33 values. And standard deviation, you know how to calculate standard deviation. X minus x bar divided by n minus 1 root over, then you will get standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but error. If someone asks you what is the average value of pH in a particular region, so you can tell the average value is 6.43 plus minus 0.93 or 0.94. Okay, now that you have calculated minimum, maximum, average and standard deviation, now you can calculate the summary statistics, or you can plot the summary statistics table. So for that, I have already prepared the summary statistics table for you. Just look here. In order to prepare summary statistics table or concise summary statistics table, you have to use another function, that is concatenate. Okay, how to use concatenate, I'll show you. Just write here bracket, then concatenate, CONCATENATE, then start bracket. Okay, after bracket, suppose for this for value minimum, maximum, average, standard deviation, you need to calculate the summary statistics. First click here in the minimum, put comma. Okay, then click here, then put dollar on either side of n to lock the n. Okay, then put comma, then put maximum value and put comma, click here, put dollar, and start bracket. Then put average value and comma and plus minus symbol, and then comma and standard deviation value, then comma and close the bracket. Put dollar across Q. Always mention dollar on either side of these symbols. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now enter. Now you have got the value. This is minimum, this is maximum, this is average, this is standard deviation. Now you stretch it further for all the values. Let me erase this. Now stretch it. So it will automatically calculate the summary statistics for all the parameters. You don't have to calculate individually for each parameters. Okay, now that you have your summary statistics is ready, so you can copy paste this in Word. You can just arrange this like I have arranged in this Word file. Just so I have calculated the value for pre-monsoon and monsoon, so you can mention like this: pre-monsoon, minimum, maximum, average plus standard deviation. So you can prepare this table. This is very concise table. So this is your summary statistics table. And now move on to SPSS. How we calculate the summary statistics in SPSS. This is a blank file. Go to file, open data, select here Excel, click on SPSS demo, open this, select your respective sheet. Okay, now you can see all the data have come up to SPSS interface. Now go to analyze, click on descriptive statistics, and click on descriptives. Now select all the parameters for which you need to calculate summary statistics and go to option. So you need mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. You can also select kurtosis, skewness if you want. Okay, you can also select standard error. Continue, press OK. And this is your summary statistics table. N stand for number of observation. This is the minimum value, this is the maximum value, this is the average value, this is standard error, and this is standard deviation. Instead of standard error, you can mention standard deviation. This is the widely accepted error. So this is your skewness value, this is your kurtosis value. So see, here we have 4 columns for minimum, maximum, standard deviation and average. If you mention all the 4 columns in your thesis or research paper, it will take lot of space. So instead of that, you can copy this table to Excel. You can export this, okay, to Excel. Click OK. And here you can use your concatenate formula. Okay, I have already shown you how to use your concatenate formula. And finally, you will get a table like this. This is a very concise table. You can represent this table in any research paper and that will be accepted. They will not complain about that you are consuming a lot of space. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone.